Confidence is powerful. It's about knowing your value. It's about believing in yourself even when it's hard. True confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing your imperfections. It's about showing up authentically. When you know your worth, you walk differently, you speak differently, you attract different energy. Confidence is magnetic. It draws people in. It inspires and uplifts. Embrace your confidence. It's a gift. Confidence is often mistaken for arrogance, but they are not the same. Arrogance is about ego. It's about feeling superior to others. Confidence is about self-assurance. It's about knowing your strengths. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Arrogance pushes people away. Confidence draws them closer. Choose confidence. It's a sign of strength. Humility and confidence go hand in hand. Humility is not about thinking less of yourself. It's about thinking of yourself less. 1 Peter 5:6 reminds us, "Humble yourselves therefore, under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time he may exalt you." Humility allows us to learn and grow. It opens us up to new possibilities. Confidence helps us step into those possibilities. Together, humility and confidence empower us to live authentically. Life is full of challenges. These challenges test us. They make us stronger. As Albert Einstein said, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Philippians 1:6 reassures us, "He who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus." We are works in progress. Our challenges refine us. They shape us into the people we are meant to be. Embrace your journey. Walk boldly in your purpose.